We are in Windows 10. Let's take a look at the new Start menu. In the bottom left-hand corner, click on the window, and we see on the left-hand side our more traditional Start menu. This has not been altered in any way. On the right-hand side, we see the Windows tiles. So let's take a look at the left side, and you see some power options. From here, you can go back to sleeping, shutting down, and restart, just like we used to be able to. You've got your documents and pictures folders. PC settings, which is an area that we used to do with Control Panel, but we still use Control Panel, but PC settings is where we do some of those things now. Our File Explorer, which is what used to be called Windows Explorer. Snipping tool, calculator, some things like that. If we click on All Apps, we can see these are all the pre-installed applications that come with the device. Some of these are duplicate of what we just saw. Windows Mail is not the same as Outlook. It is just the free mail program, but it still works very well, and it also integrates with Calendar, things it didn't used to do with previous versions. You have a News app, Music, OneDrive for your cloud storage, OneNote, which is a surprise. Didn't realize that was going to come with that. It used to be just part of Office only. And we have our People link, which is the same as our Contacts. Photos, etc. Scan, Skype, which is now pre-installed in Windows 10. The store, of course, which you see a link down here and down here as well. They definitely want you to go to the store. The Weather app, Windows feedback if you want to give it. Let's take a look at maintenance. That comes empty. Accessories, all the usual stuff except Math Input Panel is new. Remote desktop connection. Now, Windows Fax and Scan is different than just Windows Scan. The Fax and Scan program actually works a little bit better. System tools, just the character map. And this is not a tablet, but it does show a folder for that anyway. Ease of access, magnifier, narrator, speech recognition, on-screen keyboard. Windows System, command prompt, control panel, Explorer. Task Manager, that's new. Windows Defender instead of the Security Essentials. This is your new antivirus, anti-malware. Easy Transfer. Click on Back. And here's our icons here, of course, as well. If we want, we can right-click on those and we can pin those right to the taskbar. And we can also just go ahead and click on any of the news or other applications and it'll open right up. Although it shows games here, it actually is just a link to the store, to the Windows Store. It's not actual games themselves that are pre-installed like it used to be on older versions of Windows. So from here you can go ahead and install any games that you'd like, but of course some are free and some you have to pay for. So that gives you an idea of what the Start menu now looks like on Windows 10.